welcome to my channel. So today is a fun DIY. A couple of weeks ago I shared with you guys how I decorated this clear pocket in my Happy Planner, and someone said that they wanted me to show them how I actually created the pocket. It was super easy. So before we hop into this video, if you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? I post a ton of different videos on a ton of different topics, so there's always a video for everyone here. And if you want to see more DIYs like this and definitely how I decorate this pocket for Christmas, then subscribe. So like I said, this is just made out of laminating sheets, and I've just hole punched them to fit in the planner, and sometimes the sizing might be a little bit tricky, so I created a template to help me. So one is like my normal template that I use this to make pockets, and if you like to make Happy Planner DIYs, I really suggest you make one as well. This is basically a piece of random cardstock that I had that is 9 1/4 inches tall by 7 inches wide, and this is what the classic Happy Planner size is. And then I have one that was a little bit smaller that I just cut down to fit on the inside. And this is basically what your pocket will look like. Okay, so to get started, this is what you'll need. You'll need some laminating pouches and a laminator, and this is just the Scotch brand laminating sheets. I have the Scotch brand laminator, but the big difference between what I am using, and probably something you'll find in stores maybe, is the thickness. I'm using 5 mil. You can also get a 3 mil pouch, but they are a little bit more flimsy. I just prefer it to be a little more thicker, so that way when you bend it, it doesn't like bend the paper inside, and it's like pretty sturdy. So what you'll need to do is get 2 sheets of laminating pouches out. So while I'm working, I have my laminator on and I have it set to 5 mil. My Scotch brand laminator has 2 settings, the 3 mil and the 5 mil, and you'll definitely need the 5 mil if you are using the 5 mil sheet. So the first sheet is super easy. You'll want to cut it to size of a Happy Planner folder or insert. So I'm taking my sheet with the glued side on the bottom. Okay, so this will be your inside pocket, and you want to leave about a 1/2 inch on the side to actually put in your planner. I leave a little bit extra too, so maybe like 1/7 of an inch. And for this one, I'm actually going to place the pocket and the cutting towards the top. Because the laminating sheets have a rounded edge, I'm just going to cut this part off first. We have our large piece, which will be the outside of the pocket, and it is still stuck together how it was originally. Oh wow, I can't even talk. And then we have our small sheet that we cut down to be the inside of the pocket. Right now, the matte sides are touching. You want to unpeel this and place it where the shiny sides are touching. The matte part of the laminating sheets are facing outwards. It's matte on this side, matte on that side. The inside is now the shiny sides stuck together. They're going to be slippery. Try to place them together inside of your laminating sheet, and it's really easy to do if you just place it down. So now you want to position your pocket where you have about 1/7 of an inch on this side where we're going to put our hole punches in. But also you don't want to get too close to the outside where it's not going to work. Carefully drag the pockets up, and then I'm going to put it in the open ends at the top and the glued ends at the bottom. Alright, so this is the pocket. It looks pretty good to me. And so what I want to do is I want to cut off the top part to expose the pocket. I'm going to take my scissors and just round off this edge. Okay, so now I'm done with the paper trimmer. I want to use my hole punch to punch little holes in here. And I have the Happy Planner hole punch, but from experience, I know that it does not work well with laminate or plastic. So what I'm gonna do is just take my little template and mark holes using a Sharpie, and then I'll just punch them out. Cut the insides off so that they can easily snap into your planner. Now we do the test to make sure that it fits perfectly in the planner, and you just want to go and try to snap it in. And there you go. You have a folder, perfect pocket for your planner. And just to show you what it would look like, you can just stick it in like this. The inside is as shiny as the outside is, so you have plenty of room to decorate, and I made this where it is a little bit longer on purpose. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. And let me know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see from me next. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!